GST was launched in India on, is it 1st April 2026, 1st July 2017, 15 August 2017, or 26 January 2018? The correct answer, 1st July 2017. GST was officially launched on 1st July 2017, marking a major reform in India's indirect tax system. It unified multiple taxes into a single structure. GST was introduced by which constitutional amendment act? Is it the 100th, the 101st, the 102nd, the 103rd Amendment Act? The correct answer, 101st Amendment Act. The Constitutional Amendment Act 2016 provided the legal framework for implementing the GST in India. GST Council is formed under which article? Is it Article 270, 279A, 356, or 368? And the correct answer, Article 279A. Article 279A of the Constitution provides for the creation of the GST Council, which decides GST rate and policies. Which of the following is not a type of GST? Is it CGST, SGST, IGST, or DGST? The correct answer, DGST. The main type of GST are CGST, SGST, IGST, and UTGST. DGST does not exist. CGST is the Central Goods and Service Tax. SGAT is the State Goods and Service Tax. IG is Interstate Transit Goods and Service Tax. And DGST does not exist. Who had the GST Council? Is it the Prime Minister, the Finance Minister, the President, or the RBI Governor? The correct answer, the Finance Minister. The Union Finance Minister is the chairperson of the GST Council, which make the decision on GST. Now the question is, who is the current Finance Minister? You can comment down your answer if you know. What is the highest GST slab in India? Is it 18, 20, 25, or 28%? The correct answer, 28%. The highest GST slab is 28% applied to luxury and signed goods like cars and tobacco. GST is introduced by whom? Is it the Reserve Bank of India, the Parliament of India, the state government, or the Supreme Court? And the correct answer, Parliament of India. GST was introduced through legislation passed by the Parliament and rectified by the state. Fiscal deficit referred to, is it excessive of revenue over expenditure, excess of expenditure over revenue, only tax collection, or only capital receipt? The correct answer, excess of expenditure over revenue, meaning you spend more than you earn. Fiscal deficit occurs when government expenditure exceeds its total revenue, indicating borrowing needs. Who wrote Discovery of India? Is it Dadabhai Naoroji, Jawaharlal Nehru, Mahatma Gandhi, or B.R. Ambedkar? The correct answer, Jawaharlal Nehru. Jawaharlal Nehru wrote Discovery of India during his imprisonment in 1942-46. The book explores India history, culture, and identity. Dadabhai Naoroji is an Indian nationalist who wrote Poverty and Un-British Rule in India. Mahatma Gandhi is a leader of Indian independence, wrote My Experiment with Truth. B.R. Ambedkar is an architect of India Constitution, wrote Annihilation of Caste. Who wrote My Experiment with Truth? Is it Jawaharlal Nehru, Mahatma Gandhi, Karl Marx, or George Orwell? The correct answer, Mahatma Gandhi. My Experiment with Truth is the autobiography of Mahatma Gandhi, detailing his life, philosophy, and experiment with truth and non-violence. Jawaharlal Nehru wrote Discovery of India. Karl Marx, German philosopher, wrote Das Kapital. George Orwell is an English writer, wrote 1984. Who wrote Das Kapital? Is it Adam Smith, Karl Marx, Charles Darwin, or Arundhati Roy? And the correct answer, Karl Marx. Das Kapital was written by Karl Marx and is one of the most important work on political economy and capitalism. Adam Smith is an economist who wrote The Wealth of Nation. Charles Darwin is a scientist who wrote On the Origin of Species. Arundhati Roy is an Indian author of The God of Small Things. Who wrote The Wealth of Nation? Is it Karl Marx, Adam Smith, George Orwell, or Charles Darwin? And the correct answer, Adam Smith. Adam Smith wrote The Wealth of Nations in 1776, laying the foundation of modern economics and free market theory. Karl Marx is an author of Das Kapital. George Orwell is the author of 1984. Charles Darwin wrote On the Origin of Species. Who wrote 1984? Is it George Orwell, Karl Marx, Jawaharlal Nehru, or Mahatma Gandhi? The correct answer, George Orwell. 1984 is a dystopian novel by George Orwell that explored theme of surveillance, totalitarianism, and loss of freedom. Karl Marx is an author of Das Kapital. Jawaharlal Nehru is an author of Discovery of India. Mahatma Gandhi, author of My Experiment with Truth. Who wrote On the Origin of Species? Is Charles Darwin, Adam Smith, Karl Marx, or Arundhati Roy? The correct answer, Charles Darwin. Charles Darwin wrote On the Origin of Species in 1859, introducing the theory of evolution by natural selection. Adam Smith, the economist, wrote The Wealth of Nations. Karl Marx, philosopher, who wrote Das Kapital. Arundhati Roy is an Indian novelist. Who wrote The God of Small Things? Is it Arundhati Roy, George Orwell, Mahatma Gandhi, or Jawaharlal Nehru? And the correct answer, Arundhati Roy. The God of Small Things is a novel by Arundhati Roy, which won the Booker Prize in 1997. George Orwell is an author of 1984. Mahatma Gandhi is an author of My Experiment with Truth. Jawaharlal Nehru is an author of Discovery of India. Who wrote Poverty and Un-British Rule in India? Is it Dadabhai Naoroji, B.R. Ambedkar, Jawaharlal Nehru, or Karl Marx? And the correct answer, Dadabhai Naoroji. Dadabhai Naoroji wrote this book to explain the economic drain of wealth from India under British rule. B.R. Ambedkar is an author of Annihilation of Caste, Jawaharlal Nehru, Discovery of India, Karl Marx, Das Kapital. A person leave one job and search for another job. This is called, is it frictional unemployment, structural unemployment, seasonal unemployment, or cyclic unemployment? The correct answer, frictional unemployment. Frictional unemployment happens when an individual are in between jobs. It is short-term and considered natural. Structural unemployment occurs due to mismatch of skills. Seasonal unemployment occurs during certain season only. Cyclical unemployment occurs due to economic slowdown. Unemployment due to lack of demand in the economy is called, is it cyclical unemployment, frictional unemployment, seasonal unemployment, or disguised unemployment? The correct answer, cyclical unemployment, occurs during economic downturn when demand for goods and services decreases. Frictional unemployment occurs while searching or switching for jobs. Seasonal unemployment occurs in a specific season, and disguised unemployment, more workers than needed. When machines replace human labor, unemployment is called, is it structural, frictional, seasonal, or cyclical unemployment? The correct answer, structural unemployment. Structural unemployment occurs when workers lost job due to technological changes or lack of required skill. Unemployment during off-season in agriculture is called, is it seasonal, frictional, structural, or cyclical unemployment? The correct answer, seasonal unemployment. Seasonal unemployment occurs when people are unemployed during certain times of the year, such as agriculture off-season. When more people are employed than required, is it disguised, seasonal, frictional, or cyclical unemployment? The correct answer, disguised unemployment occurs when additional workers do not contribute to productivity. A highly educated person unable to find suitable job faces is structural, frictional, seasonal, or cyclical unemployment. The correct answer, structural unemployment, occurs when there is a mismatch between skill and job requirement. Assam is famous for which festival? Is it Bihu, Onam, Pongal, or Navratri? The correct answer, Bihu. Bihu is the most important festival of Assam and celebrates the harvest season. Kerala is known for which festival? Is it Onam, Bihu, Hornbill, or Lori? The correct answer, Onam. Onam is the biggest festival of Kerala, celebrating the return of King Mahabali. Gujarat is famous for, is it Navratri, Ganesh Chaturthi, Bihu, or Onam? And the correct answer, Navratri. in Gujarat is famous for Garba and Dandiya dance. Punjab celebrate which festival? Is it Lohri, Onam, Bihu or Rath Yatra? The correct answer, Lohri. Lohri is a popular harvest festival celebrated in Punjab. West Bengal is known for, is it Durga Puja, Pongal, Bihu or Onam? The correct answer, Durga Puja. It is the grandest and most important festival of West Bengal. Odisha is famous for, is it Rath Yatra, Onam, Navratri or Bihu? The correct answer, Rath Yatra is a famous festival dedicated to Lord Jagannath. Tamil Nadu is known for, is it Pongal, Bihu, Onam or Lohri? The correct answer, Pongal. Pongal is the most important harvest festival in Tamil Nadu. Maharashtra is famous for, is it Ganesh Chaturthi, Navratri, Onam or Bihu? The correct answer, Ganesh Chaturthi. Ganesh Chaturthi is widely celebrated in Maharashtra with great enthusiasm.